They say that Christmas is the most wonderful time of the year. But how can so much go wrong so fast? Hold tight. Some last-minute Christmas ideas are coming your way. The night to decorate is finally here. Haven't seen this stuff in a year. It's so tired. I don't remember it looking like this. Didn't it look fuller last year? Now it looks like a bad art project. Ugh, how did my gum get on there? So much for decking the halls. I just love this time of year. So much chocolate. Ugh. Oh. Does my sad wreath depress you too? It's really a shame. Thanks, Tina. You know? I think I can fix this. What'd you say? Turn the chocolate over and put 2 sheets on top. Then use a rubber band to secure them like this. Then stick it into the styrofoam wreath. It'll look like this at the end. What a tasty way to get festive! Sorry, old guy. You've been replaced. I should try baking something new. Here I come, Christmas cake! Flour's a good place to start. So messy! Comes with the territory, I guess. And now for the eggs. I got it! Whoa! Who taught you to crack eggs like that? And now for the sprinkles! It's like yummy fairy dust. Just a pinch. Next it says I need whole milk. Whatever you say, cookbook. Just making sure it's not spoiled. That's enough, right? Now's the really fun part. Haha, it's like squishing brains or something! What's cooking, Thomas? First time baking, huh? I'm like a pro chef now. Well, almost. Ugh. I wonder if I could fix this. Step aside! There's a new baker in town! Drop in some green food coloring. Once it's mixed in well, it should look a lot like this. Then use a spoon to cover a sugar cone with it. Once you got a good coat on, drop on some colorful sprinkles. And before you know it, you've got yourself a little tree. Stand it up on a plate alongside your other creations. You can get really creative with them. When did you learn to do that? Oh, just an idea I had. And you can have the first one. Oh, I bet it tastes awesome! It's like a sugary masterpiece! Oh, yeah. Getting the house ready for a party is a delicate science, especially when holiday decor is involved. Looking good! But I'm missing something. Gotta have an ample candy supply. My friends can never get enough of these. Oh boy. Oh! Oh, and look at my candy bucket! This thing is totally busted! I don't think I have another one. I'm in no mood to party now. Hey! I took a tumble and broke this. Maybe we can just use this as an excuse to be creative. Take your busted bucket and put a line of hot glue here. Before it dries, stick on a thick candy cane. And after a while, you can cover the whole thing with them. Don't forget the bow. Someone order a candy cane bucket? That's truly remarkable! It's way more festive than before. Why don't we fill that sucker up? It's perfect! This holiday party's going great! You sure like that Coke, huh? I guzzled mine down already. I got you covered. One fresh Coke coming right up. See ya! Just me, myself, and I. Yes? Think I can get a refill? Here you go. That's good, thanks. Bye. Guess I'll take some more too. Whoa! Easy, guys! I only have 2 hands here! Somebody help me! I don't know if I have enough here. Come on, guys. Just let me think here. I got it! If you angle your cups just right, 1 pour turns into 5. Or 20 if you have enough cups. Just call me the soda supplier. Ugh, seriously? Well, happy holidays to me. Isn't this tree just beautiful? These vintage ornaments look great. Mind if I add some too? The more the merrier. Wanna see my favorite ornament? Ever wish you could eat one? It's cherry flavored! Is that even safe, Tina? Come on, I made it myself. It's easy. I'll show you how. First, dump red gummy candy into a cup of water. Stir it up really fast and well. Once it's good and red, put it into a plastic food syringe. Set the cup aside and inject the liquid into a plastic ball. Fill it up all the way to the top. Close it with an ornament hook and freeze it. Take off the plastic casing and boom! Told you it's easy to make! I wanna try! Can I? Which flavor is this? It's sweet pineapple! Think these Christmas hacks will come in handy this season? Be sure to share this video with your friends to let them in on the holiday secrets. Watch these? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out!